Hello guys, I'm Arash and I'm going to continue the Python preparation course in HackerRank.com. Well, we tap on continue preparation and we are going to solve the Python if-else challenge. Alright, it is telling us that it's going to give an integer to us, and based on that integer we are going to print some outputs with our program. Well, on the right hand you can see there are some lines from before. There are some importings: import math module, import OS, import random. These are some common modules of Python that they may be needed in your program, so it has imported them in advance for our program. And this section is going to handle of getting the input from user. Input is going to get the input, and strip, when you hover your mouse over it, it is written that it returns a copy of a string with leading and trailing white space removed. So if you accidentally type extra, for example, spaces, it's going to handle it for you, so you won't be worried about it. And at last you can see that all of the input is converted to integer, and n is an integer. Alright, we are going to do what it has told us. First of all, if n is odd, print weird. Okay, when we are going to check if a number is odd or even, we should divide it by 2. So if n, what this line does, well, the operator of division of remainder in Python is percentage, and this line of code, n %2, calculates the remainder of this division. And when this division, when remainder of this division is equal to 1, it means that it's an odd number. So what is going to happen when it's an odd? It's going to print weird. Okay, so a simple print and weird. If situation is something other than this, it's even. So we write an else. We should tab and alright. Else, it means in conditions other than the first condition. It means if the number is even. Okay, what are we going to do? If it's even and in inclusive range of 2 to 5, print not weird. So we are going to write another if n is between 2 and 5, we should print not weird. Okay, the third state is if it's even and it's in the inclusive range of 6 to 20, print weird. Okay, so write down else if. The elif is equal to else if keyword in Python. So elif n is between 6 to 20, print again weird. And the last situation is when n is even and it's greater than 20, print not weird. Okay, we are going to elif n is greater than 20, I don't need the equal, is greater than 20. Print not weird. Okay, let's run our code once to check if everything is alright. Once this happened, we can submit our code. It is processing and I'm still waiting. Alright, it's okay, so we can submit our code. It is going to test our code against multiple test cases, which currently are 8 test cases. It is going to test our program with different ends, and all of them are correct. Alright guys, it was Arash. See you in the next video. Thanks.